With this video, you will learn how to properly install valley flashing. Start the installation from the eave. Make sure that the sticker on the inner side of the piece is always facing up. It is simply because the sticker side of the valley is slightly wider than the opposite side, so you can easily slide two pieces together with 3 to 4 inches overlapping. Always check your local roofing codes for required overlapping connection length. If you cannot draw the line of the cut, measure as shown on the screen, mark, cut and bend the edges of the valley. Use long, self-drilling fasteners to attach it to the deck. Always check your local roofing codes for required overlapping connection length.